In this showcase snippet video, we take a deep dive into Plant Portraits, a custom-sized photography booklet. There are lots of winning aspects of this booklet, the most immediate being the super bright front cover printed in full colour on GF Smith Factory Yellow, a retina dazzling, attention-grabbing choice. It is a light to medium shade, so the colour ink sits on it without being too washed out. Colorplan is a coloured uncoated sheet with a slight grain. This is the 270 gram weight, which makes for a medium weight card cover. Providing a contrast to the Colorplan cover are the silk inside pages. This is a very nice touch, and the silk makes the photography pop. 200 gram is definitely the high end of weights we would suggest for the pages of a staple booklet. However, they are premium to turn, and normally we cap this at 170 gram. The side profile is neat, and this combination of papers and finishes is a great selection for a photography booklet for those with a slightly larger budget. The Colorplan is around £120 more than our house uncoated, so it might be out of reach for a student project or if you're only printing a handful of copies. Do check out the full print specs in the description below and get in contact with us to print your next photography project.